A lot of players are surprised at how much a paddle can change the feel of a match. It's one of those things you don't think about until you're out on the court and something just feels off. This video is all about the best pickleball paddles for women. I'm going through picks in different price ranges, and each one suits a different style or situation. That's why watching the full video helps you figure out which one fits what you need. All the links are in the description. If this helps, you can like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. And if any questions pop up, drop them in the comments. So let's get started with the picks. Number 5, Pickleball Recreational Series Pickleball Paddle. Sliding into the 5th spot, this one feels like a friendly pick for anyone starting out or just playing for fun. It's made with a fiberglass face and a polypropylene honeycomb core, which gives it a mix of easy control and steady hits without making things feel too stiff. The weight sits at 7.5 ounces, so it stays light in the hand, and the balance makes quick swings feel natural. The grip has a cushioned, ribbed feel that helps cut down on the shake you get from mishits. I like that it has a roomy, sweet spot too, since that can make early games feel a lot smoother. There's a protective edge guard that helps keep bumps from turning into chips, which is handy for anyone learning the game. You can pick it up in blue, pink, or a pink and blue mix, and it comes either on its own or in a set with balls. The bright colors are part of what draws people in, and a lot of beginners talk about liking the look right away. Since this sits in the budget range, there are a few trade-offs. One person mentioned it broke sooner than expected, and another felt the build seemed a bit cheap. Still, most describe it as light, simple to handle, and a good match for new or casual players. Number 4, KXD 8 Pickleball Paddle Set. Moving into the 4th spot, this set feels like a friendly pick for anyone who wants everything in one go without spending much. The paddles use a fiberglass surface, and the size sits at about 15 inches long and a little over 8 inches wide. The pair plus the balls and the bag come out to around 1.17 pounds, so it's not heavy to carry around. The grip is right at 4 inches, which gives it a quick, easy feel in the hand. I like that the sweet spot on these stays pretty forgiving, since that matches well with newer players figuring out their rhythm. The grip wrapping comes sealed in plastic, and once it's on, it has that cushioned, textured feel that helps keep your hand steady. The paddles come in 2 looks, a beige houndstooth pattern or a black and white style, both pretty simple and clean. The set includes 2 paddles, 4 outdoor balls, and a waterproof bag. The bag fits everything without taking up much space, though a few people said it feels a bit lightweight. The balls hold up well for practice games, and the paddles stay steady during casual play. Since this is a budget pick, plenty of players see it as a starter setup before moving to something more advanced, and it's often praised for giving beginners an easy way to get going. Number 3, Inuito Pickleball Paddle Set. Landing in the 3rd spot, this set leans more toward players who want a bit more structure in each swing. Each paddle sits at about 8.4 ounces, so it feels a touch heavier than some budget picks, but that extra weight can help with steady hits. The size is around 15.7 inches long and 7.8 inches wide, with a 16mm thickness that gives it a firm, consistent feel. The surface uses textured fiberglass paired with a polypropylene honeycomb core, which helps with grip on the ball and makes spin shots easier to control. The sweet spot stretches wide across the face, so it gives players a forgiving area to work with. The grip sits at 4 1/4 inches, shaped to sit comfortably during longer games, and it has sweat-absorbing material that helps keep things from slipping. This set comes in black and includes 2 paddles, 2 indoor balls, 2 outdoor balls, grip tape, and a carrying bag. The bag makes it simple to bring everything in one trip. Since this lands in the lower mid-range price group, many people see it as a step up from starter gear without jumping to a pricier pro setup. Most feedback mentions steady performance and a build that doesn't feel flimsy. There aren't many complaints, though some players simply see it as a starter to intermediate pick before they move into higher-end gear. Number 2, Gamma Fusion Pro Pink Pickleball Paddle. Coming in at the 2nd spot, this paddle leans into a mid-weight feel, sitting right around 8 ounces. That gives it a bit more punch without feeling tiring during long rallies. The build uses carbon fiber with a textured graphite surface, which helps the ball grip the face for spin shots and better ball placement. Even though the listed dimensions are compact, The hitting area feels wide enough to give players a steady sweet spot to work with. The grip is 4 inches around and shaped to feel comfortable during longer games, which lines up well for beginners moving past the early learning stage. The Pro Pink style gives it a bright, fun look, and since it's part of a larger series, the design feels consistent with other paddles from the same line. This paddle is USAPA approved, so it works for tournament play, but most people point to it as a friendly pick for beginners and intermediate players. Because it sits in the budget range, a lot of buyers call it a good deal for what you get. Some mention it feels a bit stiff at first and can send the ball off faster than expected, and a few talk about slight vibration. Still, feedback tends to highlight steady control, easy spin, and a build that holds up well for regular games, indoors or outdoors. Number 1. Head Gravity Pickleball Paddle. Taking the top spot, this paddle leans into a lightweight feel at around 8.1 ounces and has a shape that gives players plenty of room to work with. The length comes in at about 15.7 inches with a width just over 8 inches. And the thickness sits at 14 millimeters, so it feels steady without being bulky. The handle is on the shorter side at 4 1/4 inches, which can be a nice match for players with smaller hands. The surface blends carbon fiber and glass fiber with a polypropylene core, and that mix helps create a smooth, controlled feel during rallies. One of the standout parts here is the large sweet spot, which makes clean hits easier, especially during quick exchanges. The textured surface helps with spin, and the face has a poppy, responsive feel that many players talk about liking. This paddle comes in a teal and crimson color mix and includes a 1-year warranty from the brand. Since it sits in the mid-range category, a lot of players see it as an upgrade from beginner gear without jumping into those super pricey $200 paddles. Most reviews highlight the control, the spin, and how easy it is to place shots. A few people mention that the edges can chip over time and that it doesn't hit with as much force as some heavier paddles. But the warranty covers damage, and the control-focused feel is what draws people to it. That brings us to the end of the video. There's a wide range of choices out there, and the best fit really depends on what feels right for your style and pace. If you're interested in anything you heard about today, the links are in the description. And if this helped you out, feel free to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you catch future videos. If you have questions, drop them in the comments, and you're welcome to check out the other videos on the channel too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.